everyone, welcome back to another video. For those looking for a wireless keyboard made for Mac or iPad, there are many options on the internet, like Logitech and even Apple's own lineup. An affordable option is the Satechi keyboard. Let's review it. To start, the Satechi keyboard begins at $80 on Amazon, but was selling for $60 for Cyber Monday. It offers a full range of keys, with your basic functions like brightness, media controls, and even a nice key backlit option. The keyboard also has a number pad, where you'll find the Bluetooth options range from 1 to 3. This allows you to switch back and forth from 3 Bluetooth-enabled devices, say your Mac or your iPad. The keyboard has a nice heavy weight to it, enclosed in a metal-like casing. To charge it, a USB-C cable comes in the packaging and has a 600-hour battery life. The keys seem to be made of high-quality plastic and are beveled on all edges. Satechi also sells a mouse comparable to Apple's Magic Mouse. Stay tuned for that review soon. Overall, the Satechi Bluetooth Keyboard is a nice, affordable replacement for Apple's lineup of keyboards. Make sure to stay tuned for the matching Satechi M1 mouse review. Thanks for watching.